Messy bedroom. Kitty cat beds. A little bear we found out in the freezing cold a couple of years ago. Just a messy bedroom. Oh, birdie TV for Woody. Nice clean bathroom. Gotta have a clean bathroom. Let's see what's out here. Little squirrel. Doing some yard work. Nice tree. A little landscaping. Nice yard. Little car out there. Little squirrel over there again. This is all Uncle Steve right here. I rolled up and everything was in here. Pots and pans, dishes, chairs, lamps, pictures, everything. Bookcase, knickknacks, air conditioner, little writing desk. My TV's missing. I gotta get a new TV. There's a little Woody. There's little Woody's toys. And that's little Woody's fort in there. That's Daddy's chair and his beer. There's Charlie right there, standing there in the litter box, because she don't go too far from me or the kitchen, because she thinks it's time to eat. You hungry? You want to go outside? Yeah, you bad girl. Table and chairs. That's all Uncle Steve. Nice hutch or china cabinet, whatever you call it. Food bowls. Woody's piece of paper. Refrigerator. Try to keep a somewhat clean sink. You know, it's hard. Clean countertop. Clean stovetop. Look in there. There's some enchiladas cooking in there. Oh, chicken enchiladas. Woo!